Good morning, fellow ticket holders. I am coming from the Walt Disney World Swan Hotel. We actually checked in last night, but I decided this morning we would walk around and check it out before we move on to our other destinations for this week. So let's go inside and check out the hotel.
So we did get breakfast from the Java this morning. This is their quick service location. I got the standard sandwich, which is a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Vanessa then got the wrap that is a egg white, spinach, and feta cheese wrap called the Papai. We also got the honey oat milk latte, and they were all very good.
I did do a room tour last night, and so let's go ahead and cut to that, and I'll show you what the rooms look like. So I really enjoyed staying here at the Swan Hotel. I would do it again. So hopefully we get the chance to, and maybe we'll even get to stay at the Dolphin next time.
Yeah, we highly recommend it. I had a great night. It was very peaceful.
So I hope you enjoyed this short video at the Swan Hotel. We have more to come. So until next time, be safe, be kind, and adventure on.
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.